What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature from the key fob of a 2024 Chevy Trax. Now, the Chevy Trax in this video has a regular turnstile ignition. If your Chevy Trax has a push button start ignition, your fob will look just a little bit different, but the procedure we're about to go over will be the same. So in order to use the remote start button, which is that button right there that almost looks like a circle, I'm going to lock the vehicle and then hold that button down for at least 4 seconds. And the vehicle will respond by starting. Now the Trax will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in the vehicle or extend the runtime. In order to extend the runtime an additional 15 minutes from the time that you do it, you'll repeat that first step. Press the lock button. Hold the remote start button down for at least 4 seconds. And then you'll extend the runtime 15 minutes. In order to cancel the remote start or turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, we'll just hold the remote start button down. As you can see there, it turned it off. So let's go ahead and remote start it again. Now, in order to drive the vehicle, what we'll need to do is unlock it and get in. And just how you normally would, you'll need to turn the ignition forward like that, and then you'll be ready to drive. On the push button start ignition models, you'll need to press the stop start button. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.